Yo, I am Humonic. BandLab.com. I've heard about it in comments, I've researched it, and now I have used it. You can join in on the fun too. We're gonna get to it, but it's very collaborative. So there's a link in the description. If you don't want to hear me talk about it and you want to jump in and start making music, you can mess with my track. You can fork it. We'll get into that if you don't know what it means. Let's do this. I'm just exploring right now, figuring out what is possible. And then we'll make a beat after all of this. So there's instruments. Let's check out the instruments. It does sync up with your external MIDI device quite seamlessly. If you click that drop down, you can make sure that your MIDI device is selected. It's a very pleasing piano sound. Let's check out the organ. Thus far, I'm really liking the sounds of this. Oh, I love that. Okay, moving on from piano. Strings. Strings are really easy to mess up because they're very delicate sounding. Banjo? They got a banjo. That's the first one. I think banjo players across the world would be flattered. Like, you put us in the strings section here with the cellos and the violins. It just sounds like a computerized banjo. I like the banjo. I was getting carried away. Good old classical string orchestra. Okay, as you notice there, whenever I change instruments, there is a little bit of loading time. Something you gotta deal with. The virtual instruments are nice. We gotta check out the drums. Let's slow this down. 77. Oh yeah. Let's loop that. Oh, we might just get creating with that. That's got me grooving, baby. Look at that. Loading. Loading. It's easy to record. I'm enjoying this. Woo, look at that. So I double-clicked on the region, the MIDI region, and voila. Let's randomize the velocities. That helped. Say we wanted to delete that banjo. The banjo is not as cool as I originally thought it was. Let's add an effect to that to make it cool. Oh, I guess we'll use chorus. Now let's see how capable this thing is with recording from an external source. Gonna go to Add Track, Voice Mic. Okay, look at that. It already got my interface. That is nice to know. And I have this plugged into channel 2. Oh, yeah. That's kind of cool. All day, baby, all day. Let's add a shaker. Let's add another track, because we need some bass. Bass, acoustic bass, yeah, staccato. At times, I don't know, it starts to glitch out like crazy. I'm just going to add one more string, then we're going to share this so we can collaborate with others online. I'm going to go back into the piano roll and edit that right quick. Humanize it, randomize it. Okay, let's try and arrange it a little bit. How about that? Let's see what we can do. We're going to publish this thing now. So you click publish in the top right, project name, Shaky My Bacon. because I had a shaker and I want to eat some bacon. We'll just say it's hip-hop. There is no explicit content. I'm going to make it forkable. You can come fork my beats up for free on BandLab. What does that do now? Revision published. Oh, let's listen to it. Hey! Cool. You're feel free to join in. Like I said, the link is in the description. I'm just curious how this works. The mix could be a little better. Shaking my bacon, I'm making music, you can do it too. Just go to bandlab.com and drop a bomb. This shit is fire. Yeah, that's right, I never retire. I'm kinda tired, so I'm sipping coffee. You cannot stop me. So you can join in, like I said. The next few videos that I make, we're going to be looking into tools and different software that you can use basically for free to get started making music.